yes, Queen Bianca, is this the answer or solution for this kingdom? This your power you exercising? Is this the best thing for this kingdom? Bianca, wetin be your problem? No regard for our custom, culture. You be longing for this power, Queen Bianca. You have been longing for this power, Queen Bianca. You are so desperate for this power, Queen Bianca. What a desperate queen, Queen Bianca. Wicked queen, Queen Bianca. Selfish queen, Queen Bianca. Queen Bianca. Whatever you said, stand. You are full of yourself.
You look misplaced. Oh, you are misplaced. Bianca, can you not see you do not belong here? You don't even fit in. You know, I wonder what my father saw in a low life like you. But not to worry. It's just a matter of time and you will go back to the gutters where you belong. I will personally make sure of that.
Is this some kind of...
My queen, the king requests for your presence immediately.
Right behind you.
Stay back. I want to see my father now.
I'm still right behind you, baby girl.
Just now, he's back. Shh. I saw him right there.
See, there's nobody anywhere. It's just you and I in this place.
No, I know what I saw. I saw my husband. I saw him there. Yes, I'm sure of what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying.
See. I have a lot of things in my head. I don't want anybody compounding my issues now. Please, There is no anybody anywhere. He's long dead and gone. Okay? Allow me to think, please.
No. My husband is not dead. I saw him here. He was right there. Yes. I saw my... You have to believe me. You have to believe me. I saw my husband. My husband was right there. You have to believe me. I'm not mad. I'm normal. I know what I'm saying. I know what I saw. You have to believe me. I'm sorry, but I know what I'm saying. I saw my husband. He was right there. Yeah,
It's just you and I in this place.
No.
Huh? He's dead.
He's not dead. I can't just accept that he's gone. When I saw him, just come, let me show you. Just come with me, come with me, please. Please, just come.
He's dead now.
Come, just there.
She doesn't like me. And I don't know what to do about it.
You don't have to do anything about it. Adana is here to come to terms with this marriage thing. I'm sure that if you just keep being nice to her, her attitude will change in no time.
I will try my best.
Please do. You know, you are now the queen by virtue of your marriage to me. Everyone will give you the respect you deserve. Even Adana will have no choice but to follow suit.
I am not worried, my king. After all, I am now the queen.
Don't have anything to worry about.
I know, right? Thank you, my king.
It's okay. Just get some rest. I'll be back. Yeah?
Okay.
Have some rest.
Okay, my king.
Waiting be your problem. No regard for our custom, culture.
Informer. Where is it? Where is the document? The kindred land document is in my care. Where is it?
Document? I don't know.
You don't know? Eh? You better start talking before I change it for you. That document has been in this house for years now. Oh, where did your husband get the money he left for you before he died? Eh? Oh. Okay. Both of you planned it. It was your plan, huh?
Planned what again, Nwabeze? We didn't plan anything. Nwabeze, have you forgotten that I've been at the hospital all through? And when I came back, I saw the written note he left behind and the money was gone.
Onyeka. See, I don't just want you to lie to me. Just start talking. Eh? Oh, you planned it. Both of you planned it, eh?
Stop it, Nwabeze. Stop it. Master doesn't know anything about the money or the land. Let her be, please. I don't know, Nwabeze, okay. Please. Don't cry. Let's go. Don't accuse me. I don't know anything. I don't know. Nwabeze, please don't accuse me. I don't know.
If I must say, these crocodile tears will not help you. You better provide.
Is this the answer or solution for this kingdom? Is your power you exercising? Is this the best thing for this kingdom?
Come on, you're right. Come on, eat.
Sorry, Dad. I just lost my appetite.
Sit.
No, Dad. I cannot dine on the same table with her. She just ruined my appetite.
Sit down. It's an order. Now listen to me, Adana. Bianca is my wife. I'd like you to accord her the same respect that you give to me. And for crying out loud, she is now your stepmother.
She's not and can never be.
Shut your mouth. How dare you talk back at me? Now I'm the one who has lost my appetite.
This overconfidence with Bianca. Is this the answer or solution for this kingdom?
Life is good.
This your power you exercising. Is this the best thing for this kingdom?
Don't do this thing. I love you. I was only drinking with the guests. Nothing else.
Well, if you will continue staying here with me, there are rules. First, where did you get the money you were lavishing from?
I told you I did supply. I supplied something and I made money.
Ebuka, I am your girlfriend. You don't have to lie to me. Where did you get the money from? Because I don't want the police to come knocking at my door, please.
Am I a thief? I'm not a thief. I did supply.
It's okay. We'll talk about it tomorrow. Let's go and bring your shoe.
So Code is catching you now.
Which come inside.
Code is catching you now. If you leave me here now, find guests. It's kidnap me. What would you do?
Obim. Let's go.
Obim. No one Obim. Come on, Bam.
I've missed you.
Oh. In fact, I'm not using that style for you this night.
Hey.
Iwe, the emerging insecurity in this our community is becoming alarming. Just last week, 2 sisters went to the stream to fetch water. They have not returned till now. The same last 2 weeks, about 7 men were murdered in their farm by some unknown bandits. And just 2 days ago, our women were attacked on their way to the Monday market at the early hours of the day. Igwe, this issue needs to be addressed before it gets out of hand.
Igwe, our women, children, and even the youths in general are becoming
Mr. Dikeh, have the cats cut your tongue? Go on.
Bianca, you cannot be here by now. This is Eda's meeting.
Oh, please shut up. Oh no. Henceforth, I will partake in all the meetings being held in this palace. I am the king's wife, the new queen. Or am I not? But if there's anyone who doesn't like the fact that I am here, please feel free to hit the door. Hey, Mr. Dikeh, carry on, I'm all ears. So what's this about? What's going on? And who are the bandits?
I haven't seen you for days now. What is going on?
Why do you want to see me? You just want to see my face? Okay, look at my face. Have you seen it? No, look at it now. If that will make you happy.
Can you stop, please?
You failed me. You failed me. You failed us. Look at what is happening now. That Obanje Bianca is now the queen. It could have been you if you had done what you're supposed to do. But you failed. Failure all the way.
But I tried my best.
Your best wasn't good enough.
Boise, you know I've not done anything like that before.
What are you insinuating? No. Tell me, what the hell are you insinuating? Are you trying to tell me that I...
Please don't put words into my mouth. I did not say that either.
Okay, point taken. Please, can you go now? Just leave me. Go and be ruled by that Obanje Bianca. Yeah? Just go. And let me be.
Boise.
Is this the best thing for this kingdom? Bianca, waiting be your problem.
I am not going to let that irresponsible behavior you displayed earlier today repeat itself in this palace. Now I am going to call a meeting of the Council of Elders, and I will make you apologize to them in person.
I will do no such thing.
What? Did that just fall out of your mouth?
I owe them no apologies, my king. I am the queen of this kingdom. I did nothing wrong partaking in the meeting going on in the palace. Now this brings me to the question. Why did you get married to me? To warm your bed or to...
Oh, shut up, woman! What's wrong with you?
I'm not done talking. I am not your ceremonial wife or a piece of furniture merely for decoration. I will actively participate in the activities going on in this palace.
How dare you talk like that, Bianca? Where did you learn that from?
If this is it, my king, I beg to leave. Excuse me.
Is this the best thing for this kingdom? Bianca, waiting be your problem. No regard for our custom, culture. You be longing for this power, Queen Bianca. You have been longing for this power.
This is very important. I want to talk to you.
Go ahead and talk. Say what you want to say.
Please, can I sit down?
Can't you see I'm busy? Eh? Say what you want to say and go now.
It's about my sister. She's in a pretty bad shape.
About your sister?
Yes.
Am I a doctor? What do you want me to do for her? I should babysit her.
I wanted to take her to the city along with the baby. That's with your permission.
Please, do whatever you want to do. And do not add to my problems. Please.
No regard for our custom, culture. You be longing for this power, Queen Bianca. You have been longing for this power, Queen Bianca. You are so desperate for this power, Queen Bianca. What a desperate queen.
I mean money.
I have been thinking lately. How about investing the money on trade?
Trade?
Yes.
Baby, see, let me tell you, this money is my inheritance. My inheritance. So let me inherit it with joy and enjoy myself while it lasts.
How do you intend using your settlement money? Do you have any business in mind, like?
You see now, right now, I see the house. The only thing that is in my mind now is how to enjoy, how to, as in flesh. Later, I can think of business, but now, enjoyment all the way.
Baby, see, you can invest in trading.
Trade?
Yes. After some few months, you get the money double. Provided you invest with the right people.
Calm down. I'll trade the other boss. Let me enjoy myself first. Let me enjoy myself and cruise. Cruise about town. Then you can talk of business. As for now, I don't have time for trade. Biscuit and bread. Chingam na sweet. No. I don't have time. This is time of nkwarendo. We think of business. Business you cannot run away. Business will always be there. Go and take the meat. Let me.
Baby, see, we really need to think about this.
Yes, but Anna think business. If the chicken is not enough, we'll go and kill them all.
Oh, why?
Yes.
I'm coming.
Go and take it. This is my inheritance. I have settled myself. So let me enjoy my life while it lasts. Every other person can do business. I don't have time for business. What I have time now is enjoyment galore. Enjoyment galore. Enjoyment galore. Enjoyment.
Somebody there. Bianca, you are so desperate for this power. Queen Bianca, what a desperate queen. Queen Bianca, wicked queen. Queen Bianca, selfish queen. Queen Bianca. whatever you said, stand. You are full of yourself, full of pride and bombers. This is wickedness. Anyaga bafuruki, Bianca. Anyaga bafuruki, naboda, nabodanya. Iwe diginabi, nabodanya. Ono machuruki si, nabodanya. Wapukini ne wegiwe, Bianca. Iwe chukwara bigi, Bianca.
As for me, I have never been in support of the Igwe marrying a new wife. Seriously, I've never been in support because children of nowadays are so disrespectful, especially in the other room, if you know what other room I mean.
You are very right, oh.
I'm always right.
You are very right. You now talk about no. I'm telling you,
because it could have been that he developed BP out of excitement. Handsome man. Who did this on this land?
It's true. This ribbon was tied this evening. It was not here when I passed to the palace.
Wait. You did not see this when you passed?
I did not see it now. That's what I'm saying now.
We have to contact the Council of Elders fast. Who could have done this?
Are you asking? Who else if not Nwabeze?
Which is Nwabeze?
You're asking as if you are ignorant.
Everything is Nwabeze. Every little thing Nwabeze.
Because he is the only one that has been going crazy recently because of this land, threatening everybody. Let me tell you, just like you said, we have to call a meeting of Ndichie and talk about it. We have to.
Please, we have to act fast. This is not ordinary.
Now.
Not so fast. And where do you think you're going? To my room upstairs. Oh! Sweetheart, your room is no longer upstairs, but here. And not to worry, the maids have your little things in there already. Why? Bianca, why are you doing this to me? The truth is, I needed to deliver this message myself. And now that it is done, I'll have to go back to my room. Upstairs. Sweet little baby, don't you cry. Mama's gonna Ijoma. 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 My princess. Do you realize I have somewhere very important to be this morning? Why is it taking so long to get my food?
My princess, the key to the kitchen is with the queen. She ordered that no one goes into that kitchen without her permission.
She did what? It's fine. I'm running late for a meeting. When I come back, we'll sort it out. Get my car key.
Waiting be your problem. No regret for our custom, culture. longing for this power, Queen Bianca. You have been longing for this power, Queen Bianca. You are so desperate for this power, Queen Bianca. What a desperate queen, Queen Bianca. Wicked queen, Queen Bianca. Selfish queen, Queen Bianca. Whatever you said, stand. You are full of yourself, full of pride and bumpers. This is wickedness.
Hey, Joma. Hey, Joma. My key. My princess.
I can't find your keys.
What do you mean by that?
It's not there.
Hey! You washed my car, right?
No, you can't.
Can I have the key?
I'll find the key, princess.
What rubbish are you talking about? My friend, let me have my key!
I have the key.
Yeah. Need I remind you that you're not in any way permitted to touch what belongs to me? Now give it.
You see, darling, due to some recent changes in the palace, a lot of things will change as well. Starting with your car. I am aware your father spoke. I mean, it is obvious. But the truth is, those luxuries have been cut off.
Oh, please shut up and let me have my key. My key.
Wabweze, there is no way you can convince the whole of us sitting down here that you know nothing for this shameless act. Remember, you threatened us with fire and brimstone, swearing that you will sell the land.
Oyiche did. But that was out of anger. Yes. It's like a mystery to me. Yes. I am just as confused as you are. See, if I want to do something, I will go ahead and do it. And own up to my responsibility. Without fearing anything. I know the fear face. Yeah? I don't know. When I tell you to do that, I do not have anything to do with that land.
Yeah, one busy. I want to ask you a question, and I want you to answer me. How will you expect us, Dikeh of Amakom Kingdom, to accept this your story? How?
Anyway, if you do not believe me, then go ahead and do your investigation. Call the company and ask them to tell you how they ended up with that land.
Mwabweze is right. Only the buyer can tell us who is responsible for these shameful acts.
Dikeh.
Only the buyer.
Dikeh, you are always defending Mwabweze. I hope you have not collected money from him. I am just watching you.
I am not defending him, and I have not collected anything from him.
Okay.
But I am telling you, he is right. Only the buyer can tell us who is responsible for these shameless acts. Only the buyer.
Elders, I don't want to say anything. I'm just watching you.
Nwabweze, if we find out that you are in any way connected with this nebulous and shameful act, we'll banish you.
It is not just Nwabweze. The entire family will go.
And that is with his wife and children, if he has any.
Entire family. Like I said, I don't want to say anything.
Don't push me. If I do not have my key this minute, Bianca, I will destroy you. I will make this place too small for the both of us. I will make you pay for every pain you have caused me. My key!
Oh, sweetheart, slow down. Why are you crying? Why are you whining like a little child? Do I have your sweets? Sweetheart, don't be too sure you will destroy me first. Besides, I am your stepmother. I mean, I am the queen of this land. You should have called me some level of respect. If you try anything stupid, you will see the other side of me.
You want to see madness, right? No, you think you're mad. I will show you the real madness. Now, come on, bring it on. Come!
Guard! Fling this thing out of my way.
Bianca, come face me woman to woman. No, come! And when you think you're going to, if you lay your filthy hands on me, I'll kill you, bring her out of my way. Stop! Get out! I said get out! Come in.
Fling her out this minute.
Don't lay your feet on. Don't touch me! Are you mad? Are you stupid? How can you lay your filthy hands on me? You're fired! All of you, you're sacked! Oh, shut up! Idiot!
Yes, hello. Put me on to the commissioner of police right now. Yeah, hello, commissioner. Please, I need you to send your boys as soon as possible to the palace. Yes, please. I need them to bring a situation under control. Yes, please. This is the Queen of Amakam Kingdom speaking. And please, I would love you to do that right away. Else, I will find my way to the Inspector General of Police. Thank you.
Baby, we have been dating for more than 3 years now. Have I given you reasons to doubt me? Have I in any way deceived you?
You have not. Eh? If not, I would have gone somewhere else. But I came here to be with you. But investing all that money in that business, I will think about it.
No, nothing will happen to it. See, I have seen people trade and seen them cashing out. Seriously, trust me. I've seen them.
But you see that money? That money is the highest money I've ever made in my life. I've ever touched or even seen one-on-one. I've never seen that kind of money. Talk more of touching it. Eh? I don't want anything to happen to it. If anything happens to that money, I will first die. Yo.
Nothing will happen. Trust me. Nothing will happen to it.
It's alright. I'm going to invest, but not all of them. I invest small. To test run. There's what it's called test running. I have to test run the business before I invest more.
Baby, you have to put everything. See, forget about the feeding, running around. I will take care of those things. I will handle it. I don't just want you to misuse the money. You just have to put everything. See, at the end, you will be the one to be enjoying it. When you be cashing out now, you won't remember. See, you won't remember all this thing I'm telling you when you start cashing out. Though. It's just for a while.
It's alright. I will do as you say, but I'm begging with the name of God. If the business fall, go and buy coffin so that I can fall inside.
Nothing will happen.
Because I cannot stand it if I lose this money.
Nothing will happen.
I will invest. Are you happy now?
Yes, I'm happy.
You are happy now?
Yes.
I do one thing for Jesus.
Baby, you don't kill me.
I'm investing all. I'm investing all.
Bianca!
My princess.
Bianca, come out and face me woman to woman! I thought you said you would destroy me. Why did you run inside? Just shut up! I said shut up!
Calm down.
Bianca! Bianca, I know you can hear me.
My princess.
Bianca!
Let me hold the
Come out here and I will design your face
face with this bottle! Come out and face me!
Princess,
Idiot!
let me hold the bottle.
Come on, let me cast that demon away from you!
You are under arrest, Princess Adanna.
Officers, charge her for murder.
You are under arrest, Princess Adanna, for attempting murder and threat to life of a queen.
I'm not a murderer, I'm a princess. I'm not a murderer.
When you thought you say that, give me a hand, please. Respect yourself. Give me a hand.
Officer, I'm not a murderer, I'm a princess. Bianca said the truth. I'm a princess. I'm not a murderer. Officer, I'm not a
Respect yourself.
murderer.
Move! Hello, move him!
I said to move! Move there! Move there! I said move! Move there! Go inside! I said to go inside! Go inside! Go inside! Go inside!
Hi, princess.
Shut up! Shut up! Don't say anything!
You be longing for this power, Queen Bianca. You have been longing for this power, Queen Bianca. You are so desperate for this power, Queen Bianca. What a desperate queen, Queen Bianca. Wicked queen, Queen Bianca. Selfish queen, Queen Bianca.
Sorry about that, please. Forgive my manners.
Keep your manners in check when next you walk into my palace.
I will, Your Highness.
Let me guess. You're here on behalf of your girlfriend. But I'm sorry to disappoint you. I will teach Adanda a lesson of a lifetime.
No, that's not why I'm here. It's far from it. Very far from it. I cannot question your decision. You are a wise queen, and I know how to use your discretion.
So why are you here?
Okay, I'm here to check on you. You know, since the death of your husband, our Igwe, I've not really checked on you, and I know how difficult it might be for you coping alone, especially here in the palace.
Quite thoughtful of you. Very thoughtful of you. But as you can see, I'm doing just great. I haven't been better than I do now. I'm very great, thank you. Now, if this is it, you'll have to excuse me. I have state issues to bother about.
My queen.
I understand your stand on this issue from onset to me.
Oh. So you do, eh?
But we can't just fold our hands and watch the palace burn. Adanna, our princess has spent 2 nights, 2 days and 2 nights inside police cell. This is unacceptable, no. We have to do something about this, please.
You see, Ichie Ikenta, this was what I was avoiding from onset.
I know.
Eh? Oh, look at it now. Well, Ichie, I will go with you to the palace to see the queen. Wait for me, eh?
Please.
Let me go and dress.
Please do. Thank you very much.
Go.
Thank you very much.
Go.
Just few minutes.
Just get ready, please. Let's go.
But I was up.
Oh, don't worry.
Oh no, don't worry. I understand everything. Abachin Sinkit Yonesi. Can you imagine? 2 days, 2 nights. A whole princess. Nobody said anything or did anything. We just left her there. as if she's a nobody. Bam, you can't do this. God forbid. Princess of our land. Oh no, who do now? Is it not just to put on clothes and come out? Who knows if you just enter there and start taking your bath or washing face and legs?
Don't you know that as a chief, it's not just wear clothes. Oh, even now, when you see that. Huh?
Oh no!
Let's go.
Let's go. Huh? Wow.
I know you have every right to be angry with me, considering our past relationship.
Let the past remain in the past, where they belong. Move on.
Bianca. Bianca, please. Please.
And what are you up to? What is this? Listen. We are different now. Worlds apart. Okay? Now I will advise you, let things remain the way they are. Otherwise, I will have you punished for making advances at the new queen of Amakom Kingdom. Get out.
B.
Bianca, what a desperate queen, win Bianca, wicked queen, win Bianca, selfish queen, win Bianca.
DPO, good afternoon. I am the Onu of this community. And this is the chair, Ikenta. We came in respect of Adanna, the princess of our kingdom. She was arrested and brought to your station here 2 days ago.
Yes, but she's no longer here. She has been taken to our police headquarters.
Why? Why should she be transferred from here to another station? That young lady is the princess of our Amakom Kingdom. She's not a criminal.
I wonder.
Huh? Why should she be transferred from one station to the other? Why?
Nobody is above the law. She attempted killing the queen. And she's in for it.
DPO, don't believe that cooked up story. It's not true. I don't believe it.
DPO, please, sir. We are here to bail the princess, our princess, and take her back home to the palace where she belongs.
Oh, yes.
I do not want to detain both of you. I said she has been taken to the police headquarters. Yet you are here insisting of a bail. If you do but love yourselves, we better walk out of my office now before I do something stupid to you.
Oh no. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. It hasn't come to this.
Let's go.
Die! Damn it! Damn it! Who does she think she is? Huh? Queen Elizabeth, you are nothing. Arrogant, silly, bastard, Chinenye Ubah. You are nothing. You have not seen the last of me. You've not seen the last of me. Don't worry. Don't worry. We shall see. Go Chinenye Ubah. Huh? Do you know who I am? Arrogant, cold-blooded Queen Bianca. In fact, in my place, Bianca. Because we modernized it, I was calling you Bianca. You are Bianca. Nonsense. Try be anya Yeah. Take time. I don't know somebody. Animal.
When Bianca, whatever you said, stand. You are full of yourself, full of pride and bombers. This is wickedness. Anyaga bafuruki, Bianca. Anyaga bafuruki, nobodanya. Iwe diginamu, nobodanya. Ono machuruki si, nobodanya.
You people can use this and buy some cool pure water and the recharge card. Take. Take. Just take. Just try and help us. Help us.
Please. Let's see. Please. Thank you.
I am coming.
Thank you.
Officer. Hey. I have to see it. When is money? Once they see money, everything change. Can't you see now?
Bianca, please. The way and manner you're going about this queen whole thing, you're getting it wrong. I'm your friend. I will never advise you wrongly. I will only tell you the truth, no matter how much it hurts. What truth? My friend, please, release Princess Adana from that cell. She doesn't belong there. The news is everywhere in the village. You can imagine what the villagers think about you.
I don't care. I don't. Nobody cares to know how I feel. Nobody cares about me. For crying out loud, Princess Adana wanted to kill me. She was caught in the act.
Or you planned it all, Bianca.
Queen Bianca.
Oh, fine, Queen Bianca. Queen Bianca, if you ever care about your reputation in this village, please order for Princess Adana's release.
Where does the loyalty lie? Take it back. She doesn't deserve it. You may leave the same way you found yourself here.
Anyaga bafuruki, Bianca. Anyaga bafuruki, nobodanya. Iwe diginamu.
What did I ever do wrong to deserve such wickedness from you? I need you to start talking. What did I ever do wrong to you? I was ready to go all the way with you. I gave you everything. I gave you my love. I gave you my body.
You gave me nothing. You gave me nothing at all. You understand? What you're passing through cannot be compared to what I am passing through because of you.